Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can manage securities in ETNA Trader. Obviously, whenever traders want to place any order, they would like to trade certain securities, certain stocks, options, etc. And the list of these securities is fetched on our site from different companies that provide quotes. In ETNA Trader, the list of securities is updated daily because sometimes companies get delisted, some companies file for IPO, and for that reason every morning we update this list to reflect all changes in listing. Security management in ETNA Trader happens in the back office on the Securities tab. If we open this tab, we'll see a table displaying the list of all available securities. As you can see, currently we have roughly 29,000 securities on our demo platform. Obviously, we can navigate through different pages. Taking a closer look at the table itself, we have the ticker symbol of the security, the description, which is usually the name of the company. Then we have three checkboxes that represent different permissions configured for this security. The first one is Allow Trade, and basically it tells us if this security is available for trading. If we disable it, the traders will be unable to trade this security. Now let's go to ETNA Trader and see how that actually works in real life. So if we type in this security symbol, and then if we click Buy, we will see a pop-up telling us that this security is unavailable for trading. The second checkbox is Allow Margin, and it enables you to determine which securities are available for trading on margin and which are not. For example, if you know that certain securities are extremely volatile and can lead to significant losses, you can disable trading them on margin. Or for example, by default, you could disable trading all cryptocurrencies on margin. And finally, we have the Allow Short checkbox. As the name implies, this checkbox allows you to disable certain securities from short selling. Alright, now let's talk about margin rates. If you click this little button right here, this window will appear, enabling you to configure custom initial and maintenance margin rates. Once you're done, click Save, and from now on, these margin rates will be applied whenever this security is traded. It's also important to understand that security-specific margin rates have the highest priority. If you watched our other videos on the back office, you know that we also have global margin rates and account-specific margin rates. But if you purposely define margin rates for specific securities, these rates will be applied whenever this security is traded. If these are not defined, ETNA Trader will first look for account-specific margin rates. However, if account-specific margin rates are not defined, ETNA Trader will check for global margin rates. These are defined on the Settings tab on the Margin sub-tab. Basically, if you have neither configured security-specific margin rates nor account-specific margin rates, ETNA Trader will apply global margin rates defined on this tab. It's just something to keep in mind when configuring margin rates. First, you have to configure global margin rates, which are applied by default to all securities and all orders. But then, if you need specific margin rates for different securities, you have to go to the Securities tab. And if you would like to lower margin rates for more experienced traders, or conversely increase margin rates for less experienced traders, you can go to the Accounts tab and configure individual margin rates for different trading accounts. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below or contact our support team. Feel free to watch our other videos on the back office on our YouTube channel, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye.